Hello everyone, welcome to my Python programming tutorial skills. Your Python skills, you are in the right place. But before we dive into Python, let me tell you a bit about myself. I've been a passionate about programming with 8 years of experience, and through readability, it's widely used in various fields from web development to data science and artificial intelligence. Python's easy to learn syntax and extensive library features I want to discuss with you. Universal first class, I want to show you the example code of how to write a code, and you can write code and execute and compile on perform basic operations on uh,